How to remove the quantity selector from the product page of your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how to actually remove it completely or just hide it temporarily. And you can just simply activate it again whenever you want. And if you don't know what I'm talking about here, basically by default in your Shopify theme, when you actually go to a product page, for example, this one, you can see now that we have the quantity selector here, so people can actually just add as many or as low amount of the same product, and they can just add it to carts all at once. Now you may want to actually remove this to make it look cleaner. Now it is not practical, as in it's not going to allow people to add more of the same product anymore, because they still can in many different ways. One of the ways is going to be just clicking on add to cart multiple times, or from within the add to cart here, you can actually go ahead and add more to it as well. So it's not really going to stop people from doing it. It's just, it could be that you want it to look clean. Anyways, I've been talking for a while now, so let's actually go ahead and show you how to do it. So just go ahead and log into your Shopify admin, and then from here you would want to go to your online store and go to themes. Once you go to themes, here you can see your current theme. You want to basically just click on customize, and we just want to go to any product page that we have. We can just go ahead and click on this product, or you can just go to product pages from here. Regardless, we can actually now edit the elements that are shown in here. And if we go to the left panel here, you can see templates, and then underneath we can actually go ahead and view the variant, not variant picker, I mean the actual the one below it, which is quantity selector. So for quantity selector, we can just simply either hide it by clicking on this eye, and now people won't be able to see it completely, so we can actually just do that. Or we can actually just go ahead and completely delete it. Now this is going to be completely up to you, but I highly recommend that you just hide it. This way it's going to be a lot easier for you to just enable it back again. Once this is done, you can just go ahead and click on save. And again, if we just go ahead and exit now and view our online store, where's catalog here? Let me just remove this item from cart just so I can demonstrate how people can still add more. But anyways, once you actually open up your product page, you can see that the quantity selector is no longer available. However, like I said previously, people can still add multiple in their cart, either by doing that, or if they actually view the cart, they can just go ahead and increase it in here as well. Anyways, this is how to actually remove from the product page. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.